Hello everyone, this is Suman Samrat from 10th A. Today we have discussed about what the lockdown is and it is boon and bane for us. This is composed by me. As we introduced to coronavirus, which is a pandemic soup to the whole world is affected by this. To control these dangerous diseases, government take a sharp and a mighty decision and would have announced for the global lockdown. Scientists and the medical participants and other conducting a lot researchers to the come up with the coronavirus vaccine. Hence, the lockdown its own merit and demerit. Lockdown merits are lockdown continues help in the reducing of the coronavirus cases in our country. Government has imposed the stricter rules and regulation to reduce the spread of transmission of this dangerous virus from one person to another person. The second thing is that to reduce in the pollution due to the decreasing in the usage of vehicles like buses, car, bikes, etc. By the image of satellite and the other data of various countries, it proved that it is a reducing in our traffic making the sky cleaner. Animals have freely move on the road due to the peaceful environment and also minor traffic. Even we have noticed that the bird chirping in every day morning. This is reducing in the road accident as lost the life during the lockdown period. Crimes are also reduced during the lockdown due to the less chances of people coming on the road. Lockdown has demerit also merit as well. We know that economic crisis would be the first and the foremost disadvantage of the lockdown. Our economic system of our country goes 10 years back. In the other hand, the revenue is not being generated fully, and this would largely affected the daily wages labor and the middle class people. Employment is a very much prevented in our country during the coronavirus. This might the over hypertension and the other diseases to the person. Today we have the stay at home and decided it boon or bane. But thought that people who have work and they continue to reach their home without having the food to eat, water to drink, weird to sleeper in their food but still walked in the hot day summer. This reaction act, the lockdown is bane for that people who is continuously walked for a long period of time. But the boon for us which is give us the time to spend with our family. I consider that lockdown is neither boon or nor ban, but it is thought the humanity a large the bite of the tolerant. I requested to all people please help the needy person who have in hands and the lockdown and stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.